another productivity hacks in Microsoft Excel. So that function will help us to reduce our working time and make us super productive. Okay, so I will show you how we can use it. So suppose here is you may have a large data set. Okay, so suppose you are hiding something. Okay, so suppose you need only few columns, like you have 10 columns or more than 10 columns or 15 columns you have, and out of that you need only 2 columns or 3 columns, like that. So what you can do is, you in between columns you can hide it. Instead of delete, what you can do is you can hide it. So the problem comes when you will, suppose you are hiding that column, and now you are copying that entire worksheet and you are pasting to somewhere else. The problem what will happen is, the entire thing will come, the entire data will come. So that is problematic, and you can't create your desired report out of it. Okay, so I will show you how we can resolve it, even how we face the problem. Okay, so here I have taken one dummy data. Suppose here the customer name is there, location is there, order date is there, sale amount is there, and shipment date is there. So now suppose I don't, someone is asking, or my boss is asking to give me only the customer name and the sale amount. Okay, so now what I will do is, I will hide few things, like I will location, order, and the shipment date I will hide. Okay, so what I will do is, I will select the first one, then shift right arrow, I will select this, then I can press Control O. I think it is, oh no, it is not the shortcut. Anyway, let me go back. So I will right click on it and I will hide it. So now I have hided the unnecessary that 2 columns. So now here you can see A and then D, 2 columns I have hidden. Okay, so now this thing also. So what I will do is, again I will select it, right click it, and I will hide it. Okay, so now this thing I want to copy here. Okay, because I don't nurture or that I don't play with the actual data. So whenever I will play, so I need to take a copy. So suppose I have copied it, and now I am going to this place and I will paste it in a different sheet. I will paste it. Now see how it is. All the details, because I have hidden few things in between. The after shell did not come, but the in between I hided few things, like B and C I hide it, and I wanted to get only A and D, but here you see the hidden things also it has come. So it is not fulfilling my desired outcome. Okay, so what we will do is Control Z. What we will do is, we will use a function that will help us to get our desired output. Okay, so for this we will, the shortcut is Control G. So here, otherwise what you can do is, let me show you. We can go to home, then we will go to editing section, then we will go to special. Go to special, there we will get one function that is visible cells only. So we will click it, I will copy it, and now I will paste it. Now see, here is the thing. So I have highlighted the visible cells only, and then I have copied it, and then I have pasted it. So no hidden column is coming. Correct, no hidden column is coming. So only my desired outcome, like I wanted to get only the customer name and the sales amount, so it is there. So there is no hidden G and H, there is no hidden A. But here it was the hidden thing, but it did not come. Whenever I have copied it and pasted it to somewhere else, so it did not come. Okay, so I think you have got the idea how we can use this. So again I will show you Control G. So this is the paste, this is the go to special option, and then we will select the visible cells only, and there the visible cells, we will see the visible cells only, and then we will copy it, and then we will paste it to a different in any other location, so it will work. Okay, so they are the hidden rows and all those things will not come. So I think you have got the idea how we can use it, and you use it for your reporting purpose, and I'm sure you will get the best output out of it. So yeah, that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video in a different productivity hacks. Okay, thanks.